Hello everyone, this is Pico Entertainment and we are back again, and here now we have for you another art video, and in this video now you'll see the completed colours of my earlier drawing of Super Saiyan Vegeta, which is right here. So in the previous video where I drew this character, and I'll also post the link in the description box, you saw previously how I added all the pencils and the inks and how I constructed the figure. So here now you'll see me adding in all the colours. So let me know what you think about this version in the comments below. Do you like some of the processing techniques that I use? Do you have any queries or any questions as well? Just let me know in the comments. If you have any other favourite characters from Dragonball Z, then just let me know in the comments and I will draw them as well. I will promise you that I will draw other characters as well as the Saiyans as well, as I know it's a very show that has a lot of popular characters on it as well, so there'll be more drawings coming in the future. So just let me know in the comments if you have a favourite character from Dragon Ball Z or a favourite character in general. As I've mentioned before, I can draw many other characters from the likes of Marvel or DC or Image Comics as well, so don't hesitate to give me any suggestions that you may have. Other drawings that will be coming in the future would include He-Man, the 1983 version, Battle Angel Alita, and also One Punch Man as well, as I will try to increase the amount of anime characters that I draw as well. Please also hit those like and subscribe buttons to help me grow this channel and provide you with more content. Also be wary that as well as art videos, you also get movie reviews, trailer reviews, as well as sports analysis and pop entertainment coverage as well. So that's it for now. Take care of yourselves, stay at safe distances, and enjoy my coloured version of Super Saiyan Vegeta.